right within the moment. And don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away.
Welcome to the vlog. I decided to vlog today. We finished occupational therapy. You can't see me because of the sun, but we're gonna go eat some Subway because I'm starving. Are they drinking?
They're drinking, yeah.
They look so cute.
Oh, you're so cute. I just want to hold one. They're about to grow, Mommy. Look. They're taking them bad, but that's okay. Look. The hair get off a little. I just want to hold one and play on the deck with it. Oh, look.
Snap.
Hey. I think she's so I did so I can hold it. Look, he's doing I don't do that. Daddy.
I'm going to work.
So soon? Hi guys. So it is 5:43 on Thursday. We are getting ready to go to Zumba. I took a nap for it was a little bit over an hour, huh?
Mom, I found this for you.
Oh, thank you. I don't know what that is.
It's golden. I'm gonna bring this for my
Golden
friend.
dot.
I'm gonna bring this for my
No, we're not going to play that. She might not be there. Just bring her a juice box. You'll be alright. Anyway, so we're headed out to Zumba. I made a roast. I'll show you guys. So, I've got a pot roast. Actually, it's a London Royal with some carrots and celery and onions, and I just put my potatoes in, so they'll have about, well, I put them in at 5, so they'll have about 2 hours for them to get cooked by the time we get home. Oh, I'm Doc. I'm going to call my husband and see if he will put the biscuits in the oven. I'm sure he can handle it. I almost forgot. Oh, no, we gotta get in the car and go. I almost forgot my water. I did that the other day. We had to salvage water bottles out of the car. I had a water bottle left in there. Sterling had one. We had to mix them together so we could all have a little water. My battery's gonna die, but I only have 5 that are due to ship out tomorrow, so I plan on working on those after dinner. But I was just so tired, you guys. It was the past 2 days, because we had to get up for appointments and therapies and whatnots, and it's just after, I mean, I was fine in the morning, but afterwards I'm gosh. But yesterday I fought it. Yesterday I was I am not, you guys can't see me. Get in. Okay. Yesterday I was I am not gonna take a nap because that way I won't sleep tonight, but tonight it don't matter because we don't have no appointments tomorrow. So I just used a double negative. People are gonna
Mom, he's snapping his pee.
Who's snapping his?
He's sniffing his pee.
Oh, sniffing his pee. I like snapping his teeth. Ronald. Did you see what I'm trying to do?
What the?
That's pushing the volume button. Trying to start the car. I'm why is it not starting? Alright, let's go to Zumba.
so cute. She took her water bottle. Look, I took a picture of them.
We'll get her more water in a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh, they want some food. Go get them a handful. Go get them a scoop.
Okay.
Hi, guys. It is now 9:02 p.m. and I'm just starting everything up. I'm going to work for about an hour. I'm going to, there's 5 on my list that say they're supposed to ship tomorrow, but I think it's 5. Let's see. Okay, there is an apron, but I'm waiting for it to come in the mail, so I can't do that one, but I'm hoping it'll be in tomorrow so I can. There is a candy one that needs to ship. I only see 3 of them. A candy one and then a pineapple one. How'd I get 5? Oh, I know. I know how I got 5. I still got to make another apron, which the shipping label is here, but that's only 4. Oh, and I was going to make this one. Okay. I know. Okay. my brain. So my machine is already set up one that says it's going to ship in 4 days, which is on Monday. And then there's 3 more that need to ship out on Monday besides this one that I'm going to try to get done tomorrow, so that way I can take Saturday, Sunday off, like just take them off. I've been liking, because we do Sunday dinners and stuff, I've been liking, you know, if I don't have to work on Sunday, I'm going to try to do that. Sunday usually technically would always be like one of my busiest days, because, you know, the next ship day is Monday. But I'm going to try just to see, you know, if I can get it to where I can have like a full Saturday and Sunday off. If we're not doing anything on Saturday, I mean, I will come down here and work like the other day. The other 2 Saturdays ago, I came down here in the morning and I worked until like 3 in the afternoon, and I got like 9 orders. I got 9 order shirts out. 9 orders stitched out. And so, you know, I didn't have that many to do on Sunday. If I had any, I don't even know. I'm enjoying some burners, you guys. It's so good. When I got home from Luba, we ate dinner, and then my husband's like, I wonder what time Ingles closes. And I was like, you want to go to Ingles? They have Starbucks, right? That's where I got my last black tea lemonade with the raspberry syrup. So we went there and they didn't have any raspberry syrup. So I was like, okay. And then he went to go he wanted ginger ale. And they have Verner's. If you don't know, Verner's is a Michigan company. It was first bottled in, I don't even know. Don't ask me. I just know growing up in Michigan, if you were sick, you drank Verner's. If you didn't feel good, you had Verner's, which is ginger ale. So, here in South Carolina, the only place like where I'm located, Bilo used to have it, but Bilo closed down. But now Ingles does carry the 2 liters. So if we go to Ingles, I'm getting one. So anyway, but we looked around because they have a lot of like organic and different things at Ingles. So I did buy some raspberry syrup, and so I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna go get a black tea, and when I get home I'm gonna add my raspberry syrup. I'll sip on it tonight and maybe have it tomorrow. So I went there and they're like, oh, we're out of tea for the day. I'm like, man. So anyway, I did buy the syrup. I do have the raspberry syrup. I was getting it off Amazon, and the one I was getting off Amazon went up in price, and I just didn't feel like, my phone's almost dead. I didn't feel like paying that. I bought it when it was like $15 and now it's like $18 and I'm like your honor. It was, look at it shows how many times I've bought it 3 times. So that's the one I was buying. It is Monin? I don't know how to say that, but let's see how much it is right now. Let's see if it's gone down. $18.13. When I bought it, let's look. It was $14.49. So now it's $18 and what? 13 cents. So it went up like over $4. No, almost $4. I don't even remember. Okay, anyway, but I'm gonna get this a little bit of work done, watch some Little House on the Prairie, and then after that, go to bed. We don't have to get up in the morning. That is a wonderful feeling. No appointments. Yeah, 3 weeks from today, we will be headed to Michigan. I'm so stinking excited. Can't wait to see my mom and my dad and my sisters and my brothers. So anyway, and my niece and my nephews. Although I think last time I just saw my nephew for like in a car. He was sitting in the car and he didn't want to get out. He was shy. So anyway, I must get to work and hopefully get in bed at a decent time.
Thanks for watching. Hey, tomorrow. Bye, guys.